Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Airalo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right side of your corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. After doing so, you can scroll down a little bit and here in the middle of your screen you will find the languages option. Press on that and you can see here that it is set to default, so it has a device language option which is mostly English, but you can also select English separately or any other language in which you want to use the app. You can see that the variety is quite huge. You can see that there are even lesser known European languages as well as other languages from different regions. So if you find your mother tongue here, you can just press on it and press change. You wait a little bit until the app refreshes, and once the app will be refreshed, the entire app will be changed to that language that you have selected. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.